Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ENGA, PLYN, OWUV, and ICOA. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video, as our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button and hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks you're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. These are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. To sign up, just simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. After you sign up with your mobile number, you can then also hit the red download ebook and get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. All right, folks, with that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. ENGA, big runner on Friday, up 108%. There's just 24 million shares outstanding. 1.2 million shares are held at DTC only. So these low float plays are where it's at, and this is what I've been talking about for our subscribers. I talked about this in my last video, ENGA, PLYN, ICOA. The big runners we got yesterday have all been talked about on this channel and on insiderfinancial.com for our subscribers. The news on ENGA is that London's social network platform Babuzi acquires Engage Mobility. They acquired a controlling interest to operate its proprietary video sharing platform and streaming service as a wholly owned subsidiary of Babuzi. Engage will operate as its primary commercial vehicle, with the management taking some positions within the public company. Founder and CEO Joseph Oniero says, as part of our long-term strategic initiatives, we view becoming publicly traded as a means with which to attract additional capital to the corporate group in furtherance of our growth objectives. The name and ticker of Engage Mobility will be changed to reflect the Babuzi brand. Management does not foresee the need for a reverse split of Engage Mobility's common stock. Oniero says, we are committed to minimizing stockholder dilution, including maximizing our external valuation prior to raising additional capital. So basically, this is a reverse merger play. Babuzi's going public by taking control of ENGA. And as you can see, the market has gotten excited about it. We talked about it on the 16th. You go over here on the 15th is when the move happened. On the 16th, you got this nice dip here under $1.50, and then the next day you got the run. So even if you didn't catch the initial move from 50 cents, you caught the dip on the day of our video at $1.50, and that was a double yesterday. So very, very nice move. We like what we're seeing on the OTC markets. As I said in the last video, low float, sub 50 million market cap OTC stocks are on fire. This is where you want to be. You find what's working and you stick to it. It's not about reinventing the wheel. It's finding what works and riding these plays. This is what you have to do to become successful. It's like if you see the trend, you paddle out and you ride that wave. That is how you make money in the OTC markets and in markets in general. You know, buying dips on a lot of these plays, that is how you can turn into becoming a bag holder. We focus on getting in before the crowd and riding these waves. We don't want you to just keep throwing bad money or throwing more money at bad plays. This is why it's so important to become a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We steer you away from those types of plays that just keep going down and that you can become a bag holder in. Next up is PLYN. They were out with a big announcement this week. They signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with a global fintech company that they were acquiring. The company with which PLYN has signed the MOU is projected to achieve more than $1 billion in transaction volume by 2023. The company has established an extensive worldwide network of partners and has an experienced management team in place to create value for shareholders. This is another play, just 35 million shares outstanding and 29 million shares in the float. Has just a $5.4 million market cap at these levels. The stock is up 141% this week. Nice move here, and again, had a red day on Thursday, gave you that opportunity to load up on the dip. And when I say buying the dip, it's about buying dips on a runner, not a stock that keeps going down. You want to play the dips on these big runners that you miss. So it's all about buying dips, selling rips in the hot plays. And this is how you can really build substantial wealth for yourself if you learn these charting strategies, learning RSI, learning when a stock is overbought, oversold, learning the moving averages, 20, 50, 200 day. These are the ones that I have on my chart. These are the ones that I focus on. Look, the 20-day is just 0.06 cents, the 50-day is 6 cents, and the 200-day is 10 cents. You look over here, the 10 cent, this held as on the dip, and these are the types of plays, you know, in terms of charting strategies that you want to look at. RSI is right now at 75. Once we get above 80 or 90, that is a sign of overbought, and then that's where you want to look to take some profits. So just keep this in mind when you are trading these small cap plays. Learn to follow these simple charting techniques. Next up, folks, is OWUV, and what a runner. This stock is an absolute beast. Our subscribers are now up 1,600%. Our original profile, you can go into the little magnifying glass and type in the symbol, and it's all right there. And we had One World Universe, a potential metaverse play. InsiderFinancial.com was the first to bring this to our subscribers' attention. You can see November 4th. You go over here to November 4th, and you can see the stock opened at 0.019 that day. Took a little bit of time, you know, it took a few weeks, but boy, did this one work out. And this is what we talk about, getting in before the crowd and bringing it to our subscribers' attention. And then if you go and you look on the OWUV, our full coverage, we have been all over this one with our videos. We even last weekend had a transcript of an exclusive interview with OWUV CEO Jerry Craig. He talked in the video about how he was in the market himself, buying stock and looking to retire those shares. So this is a great interview. I talked about it last weekend in depth on the videos. Just been an incredible runner, and we couldn't be happier for our subscribers catching this 1,600% move. For anyone saying the OTC is dead, they're just looking in the wrong areas. And then if you go to otcmarkets.com, you look under news, look at all the news they've been putting out. Press release on Friday, they're investing in Web 3.0 rights and royalties management platform. 2 days before that, they're looking to create their own crypto token. They've purchased over 100 properties within Upland Metaverse real estate trading game. Metaverse plays are hot right now, and it's all about finding, the right company in the right sector. We're getting a lot of crypto money, a lot of small cap money coming out of the NASDAQ. They're coming into the OTC. As I talk to you guys in our videos many times, guys, please don't pigeonhole yourself into a corner and say, oh, I'm only an OTC trader, I'm only a crypto trader, I'm only a NASDAQ trader. Trade all markets. Go where the money is, where the trends are clear and it's easy to make money. And right now, the OTC is hot. I mean, just on Friday, ENGA at 108%, 81% in PLYN, OWUV 70%. These are just one-day gains. The OTC is heating up. What else we got here on OWUV? So it's all right there. Go and take a look at what they've been saying. Just a lot of press releases, a lot of catalysts, and this is, they really cranked up the press releases, and this is why markets and investors get excited. OWUV is checking all the boxes right now and creating a lot of excitement on the OTC markets. And keep in mind, this is still just a $66 million market cap. There's 73 million shares held at DTC out of 196 million shares outstanding. Remember, last year, Humble, HMBL, well, it was actually this year in February, it went to a $8 billion market cap. OWUV is just $66 million market cap. There is a lot more room this stock can run. And these low float, low market cap, under 100, preferably under 50 million, this is where you are getting in early. And this is what we specialize in here at insiderfinancial.com. Make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you do not miss any of these types of plays. We had an alert for our subscribers earlier in the week, and we think this one is going to have a similar type move as OWUV. So make sure you are a subscriber to get these exclusive profiles. Last up is ICOA. ICOA is up 113% this week. This is just a $76 million market cap. They have just been putting out a ton of news. And as you can see, this is the type of news, again, that we like. They've been settling and writing off convertible debt, retiring shares, signing LOIs, getting ready to do deals. And the latest tweet from the company is that the BGBF closing, official announcement PR on Monday. So we really think this one could have some major fireworks next week, ICOA. And it's already been a nice runner this week, up 113%. But if you look here, the 200-day is 0.0054. The 200-day is the most important moving average. And this is where, when the market, it ran in September, October, corrected in December, it bottomed out this month here right at the 200-day moving average. These are very, very important levels to buy off of. Learn your charting. Go to tradingview.com. This is where these are the charts that I use. great resource, and it allows you to put all these studies up, these indicators, so that you can make the proper investment decisions for yourself. With that out of the way, guys, I just want to congratulate everyone that, caught the OWUV. Again, it gave you that opportunity, buy dips, from original alert, buy dips, sell rips. It ran here to 20 cents, pulled back all the way to 10 cents, got running again to 25 cents, pulled back to 15 cents. You can swing trade these runners. There's a lot of opportunities to make a ton of money. So again, folks, anyone saying that the OTC is dead, they're just looking in the wrong area. There is a ton of money to be made in just a handful of names, and this is what we specialize in here at InsiderFinancial.com, is finding these names, putting them in front of you, and letting you know which plays you want to be trading. So again, go ahead and sign up with your email and mobile number. The best part is that both our email and our text messaging service and the free ebook, they're all free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. We never will. Again, this is a value that we deliver for our subscribers. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. We rocked this week. Let's rock next week. Pretty excited as we head into Christmas. We're going to get this Santa Claus rally that we've been looking for on the OTC market. So while the big boards are selling off, worried about interest rates, OTC is just getting hot, because as big boards and the NASDAQ were rallying in Q4, OTC was a little bit holding back. It was a little bit of a disappointing market, and I talked about all of this on the channel, but now we're seeing money coming into the OTC, and this is what we like. And when people start reading about these 1,600% gains in stocks like OWUV, this gets new players, new blood, and really creates excitement across the OTC. So we couldn't be more excited about what we're seeing, and we think that the next 2 weeks are going to be on fire, and then 2022 is just going to be a huge year for the OTC investors. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll be coming live to you for the next video beginning of next week. Make sure you hit that red notification bell, the subscribe button, to be notified when we go live with a new video. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.